Hey folks, Tracy here. I wanted to share what we ate for our Thanksgiving meal. And I am sorry, I meant to get this video out much sooner, but I wanted to still share it because these recipes, most of which were not mine, were really awesome. So I did a whole blog post, which you can go to and get all of the recipe links, see the entire meal. But also the recipes are on my blog for what I did come up with of my own, which being the delicious apple cranberry crisp pie and the awesome pumpkin pie we had actually the weekend after Thanksgiving. The star of the show being this awesome vegan Wellington, and interestingly enough, I just saw a video by Derek of Simnet Nutrition who was also having vegan Wellington. His was similar, but with some differences. So if you're into making a vegan Wellington, and I highly recommend it, either check out the recipe that I linked to by Rainbow Plant Life, or go to Derek's new video, Simnet Nutrition. Ooh, drew a blank. Okay, so I also thought I'd show a few pictures. I hope you don't mind. If you like them, let me know in the comments below, of some local scenery. We were walking around our Toledo Botanical Garden recently, and they have this one little kind of fun rustic play area, which seemed good enough for adults, not just kids, so had to film a couple pics. And anyways, the other thing I wanted to point out is that whenever preparing a meal, even if it's for a special holiday, I like to just try to have a nice balance of flavors, but also bring in the color and maybe have some raw salad or even radishes with richer food, especially the radishes this time of year helps to metabolize the fat. It's very cleansing to the palate, and I think it just creates this more elevated sense of balance when you have all of these factors come together. A little bit of a blend of textures, flavors, maybe a little bit raw like a garnish, and the rest cooked, so that even when you're having some slightly richer, saltier, a little bit more fatty type foods, it just feels more balanced, and you end up just feeling really good after eating it, and you don't want to go like be in a coma on the couch like a classic Americana Thanksgiving meal. So I did also make some really great treats throughout the week. Just was in the mood. A sweet potato cake recipe from Forks Over Knives. I had my own ganache topping. I didn't quite follow their recipe. I used dates because I had separately made some sweet potato brownies, which included some almond butter. And so instead of repeating that, I made this icing more date-based. But anyway, it was all just so good. I want to share. And just maybe a couple other meals around this time sprinkled in. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Whatever holiday you celebrate, I hope you are either already enjoying and or have just a very peaceful, safe holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah belated, and or whatever you celebrate. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Our Thanksgiving dinner, I made this recipe I followed. It's like a vegan Wellington, mushroom, lentil, walnut, looks awesome, mashed potato made by Dawn, and gravy, some squash, green beans, almandine with lemon.
That's all in there?
Salad. That's all in there. What do you think?
Wow.
Okay, for lunch today, I have this delicious sweet potato black bean chili. I did add TVP to it to give it a little texture, and it's really, really good. Some baked squash we baked the other day, scooped it out and I reheated it in a stainless steel container in the oven with just a little cinnamon and brown sugar. Some jazzy jasmine rice. I just cooked up some seeds and spices into it before adding the rice. And an arugula salad with quick blanched kale and a nice tahini dressing, radish, and cucumber, all from the farmer's market.